How you doing, Nationwide? This is Tony Harris with Neighborhood Restoration. Today is June the 17th or June the 18th. It's June 18th. Today is about 75 degrees. We're about to attempt to repair one of the shingles that you guys said needed to be repaired on this roof right here. You can see the individual shingle that's damaged. If you can see the granular loss up here. What we're gonna do is attempt to remove this without any type of manipulation or causing any further damage to the surrounding shingles. So we're gonna start off first of all by just removing the nails alone. So let's see where this shingle ends at. And you know, we do have to do a little bit of lifting just to be able to find the end of this shingle, which right here. So the end of this shingle is right here. Now I'm just looking for my nail holes now to see where we would have to let's do this. See, let's do a photo of how everything looks beforehand. You can keep recording. This is the shingle in question right here. Now we're going up to the next layer. And you're making sure not to lift the actual shingles over 40 degrees to ensure that we're not doing any type of bad manipulation. But you can see just off top removing the shingles, granular loss is already starting to happen all across these rows up here. And it's pretty evident. So just imagine what's gonna happen when we re-nail in the shingle. I think I got everything for the most part. Got one more right here. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna remove this shingle. It's not ready yet. What's holding? What's holding you, baby? What's holding you?
Maybe it's just sticking.
Boom, right there. That's a high nail right there. It shouldn't, the nail line, you see it missed it. They didn't, when they originally installed it, they did not. Hit a nail. see the shingle is out, but just removing this shingle already, you can see the granule loss here. And if you want to zoom in a little bit just to highlight it, you can see here, 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 here a little bit up here, but just definitely this shingle is no longer any good. So with that being said, already I would call this a failed repair attempt. So what we're gonna do is just place it back. We're gonna place it back, reinstall it, just to document and show that we can't do anything further to attempt this repair without removing 2 other rows of shingles. You got the recording, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna place it back, just like it's a brand new shingle going back in. You're gonna have to lift the shingle above it once again. Gonna remove these old nails and place some new nails in it too. I forgot to put my gloves on. And as I nail, I want you to notice one thing, how the granules at the top are just starting to pop. Swim profusely like I was heavy drinking last night.
Oh, you got it. You got it.
It's a sweater, man. And I mean, look at what we looking like. I mean, that right there just shows that any type of repairs on this roof would not suffice at all. And this homeowner should definitely be taken care of the right way. We also send this shingle in for analysis as well, just so you can make sure that everything is good.